Hey guys, so I love talking about the FoodSaver, and I know different people search for different things online. You know, today I wanted to make some hot dogs, right? But you know, you open up a whole pack, and I'm probably going to eat more hot dogs in the next couple of days. So I said, you know, I don't want to freeze them. How do I keep them fresh? And of course, you do that with your FoodSaver. Right, Brooklyn? Yep, that's my dog, my yellow lab. And this FoodSaver has the accessory, okay? And not only does it have the accessory, but you know, we have these bags that we buy, and they are called vacuum zipper bags. Now, I've done some reviews on these guys. I love them because you can put sandwich meat in them, you can put hot dogs in them, and take the air out, and then just keep it in the refrigerator. You know, it's something in between freezing, right? Now, you're not going to freeze sandwich meat, but again, you might be able to. So, check this out. I took my hot dogs, and I took all the air out. I mean, look at that. That's really good. You know, and all you do is use your FoodSaver, and you suck all the air out. So who wants to see it in action? I'm going to do it with one hand. All right, because I got to hold the camera today with the other. So let me first open this up. I'll let the air back in. All right, there you go. There you go. Okay, so the bag is open. The air is back in. All you do is you have to make sure that you close this real good. Okay, so make sure you close it really, really good. Look at my girl Brooklyn. You know what? It's almost 4 o'clock. Making hot dogs. I didn't want to do it outside. It's too windy today. Look at her hanging out. She knows. She's like, I'm almost going to eat. I'm almost going to eat. Oh, God. Anyway, so again, close the bag all the way. All right. Once you know you got it closed up really good, all you do is you pull out the accessory. All right. Let me make this a little bigger. You pull out the accessory, and you hit the accessory button on this model, right? I'll include the model number, but you hit the accessory button, okay, right there. That turns the accessory on. If you're going to seal using your normal system, you know, you would obviously use these buttons or these buttons. But when I'm using the accessory, and I want to seal the bag here for the hot dogs, all right, I'm going to hit accessory. It's going to get a little loud. Put it down on the circle. See the air coming out? You gotta wait. It'll turn off on its own. Voila! All I do is pull this, retract it back into place, turn it off. I can now put the hot dogs back in the refrigerator, and over the next couple of days, I can have some hot dogs, even a week, whatever, even longer. Hot dogs don't seem to go bad. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. These bags are available. I will see if I can include the name of the bags for sure, and if there's a model number, because FoodSaver has a whole packet you can buy, you know. Okay, let's see there, 1 quart, 1 liter. All right, 8" by 8.9. All right, but hey, hopefully the video helped you out. You learned something. Thumbs up if you could. I'd appreciate it, really. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. Press the bell on the right of subscribe. You'll get notified of new videos. Thanks so much for your time. Have a wonderful day, and please be safe out there with what's going on in the world.